Hi everyone, welcome back to AmbyDIY&Lifestyle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a decorative pinboard. It's perfect for your room, for your office, or really just for anything. So stay tuned and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. So I'll link more details below, but here's what you'll need for this DIY. You'll need super glue, tweezers, pinboard, either some gems or beads, just really depends on what you decide to decorate your board with, and that's all you need. Pretty simple, and make sure to check the details below where I'll show you where I got everything. What's great about this DIY, minus the results, is the fact that it's so simple. So basically, to begin, you're going to take your beads or your rhinestones, as you can see towards the back, and you're going to align them along the pinboard to your liking. You could play with different designs and styles. Here you see that I use flower beads. Once you have them to your liking, you're going to go ahead and glue them down with the super glue. Be sure when you put them on the super glue that you push to hold them in place for a couple seconds, just so that they stay in place and don't fall off later. So you're going to want to do this to both sides. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward so you guys can get an idea, and we'll be back. And like I mentioned before, once you do this to one side, you may want to do it to the other side. And the reason why I say may is because you might want to do a completely different design on all four sides. But I decided to do the same on the other side. So once you're done, just go ahead and flip it over and do your next design. Isn't it so pretty? Decided to do a little simple. I made one of these before with rhinestones. Came out really nice. Sorry I don't have a picture, but you could just get so creative. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. I don't want to make you guys sit through it because I'm just gonna be doing basically the same thing. So I'll be back when I work on the other two sides. So thank you for watching, and we'll be right back. So for the next two sides, I actually pulled out some other beads that I didn't have laid out at the table. I actually have a big bin of beads, and I'm going to link below where I get all this stuff from because it's a really great website, not sponsored. So for the last two sides, I've been really into like gold stuff lately, so I have these really pretty long kind of gold beads that I will be putting on the last two sides. So stay tuned, and I'll show you a little bit of me doing that, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Thank you for watching. These gold beads are so pretty. I really love them. So basically, you're just going to line them along the two sides, which I basically do just to make sure I get the spacing and the look that I'm trying to get correctly. And then I'll just go ahead and glue them on both sides. You don't have to do it on both sides, remember. It's all about letting your creative juices flow and see what looks best in the moment. So I am laying them out right now, and then I'm going to glue them on, and like I said, I'll show you the finished product. So I just finished one side, flipping it over to do the other side. And then also too, what you could do is do a couple streaks of glue before placing the beads, so you don't have to go back and forth. Kind of what you see me doing while I'm laying these gold beads. Just keep in mind that you do want to place them faster than slower, just so that the glue doesn't dry. But yeah. Lastly, don't forget to push the bead on once you place it so it sticks and doesn't fall off. So yeah, results coming soon. You're gonna love it. Here's my simple yet fabulous results. Remember, you could get super creative. I'll be doing another video as to ideas of what you can pin on this board. And I really thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more like this. Stay tuned for the next one, and thanks again for watching.